Dear friends, have you ever wondered why, at the same age, 50 or 60, some people remain healthy? With rosy skin, good appetite, deep sleep, and leisurely mornings tending the garden or walking for exercise, while others often feel fatigued, look pale, have darkened skin, gray hair too soon, wake up several times at night to urinate, or even face the hardship of dialysis? The difference largely lies in how we eat and care for our bodies each day. Some habits that seem harmless can, if done wrong, silently wear down the liver and kidneys, paving the way for illness. On the other hand, there is a simple, inexpensive daily habit anyone can practice that helps revive the liver and kidneys, keeping the body strong and the mind at peace. I remember an uncle in my hometown, over 60, his hair already sprinkled with gray but his eyes still sharp and lively. Every morning he would rise early and stroll into his garden, calm and vigorous, while many of his peers suffered from constant nighttime urination, aching backs and knees, or even kidney dialysis. He lived lightly and gracefully. When asked his secret, he just smiled gently, "Nothing special. It's simply a cheap, simple habit that gives my liver and kidneys a little care every day." That made me curious, and the more I learned, the more sense it made. Before sharing the folk drink that supports health, let's briefly touch on the role of the kidneys. They are like the body's water filter. Every day, the kidneys quietly filter hundreds of liters of blood, removing waste, keeping essential nutrients, and releasing toxins. This process keeps blood pressure, fluids, and minerals in balance. As we age, this filtering weakens. Nights become restless from frequent urination. Mornings feel heavy, backs and knees ache, memory falters. These aren't just signs of getting old, they're distress signals from the kidneys. If ignored, the body declines rapidly, blood pressure rises, the heart tires, the liver gets overloaded by unfiltered toxins, eventually leading to fatty liver, blood sugar disorders, even kidney failure. That's why caring for a nourishing healthy kidneys early is the key to longevity, clear-mindedness, and peace of mind for both ourselves and our loved ones. In this video, I'll share with you that simple daily habit, a humble recipe with scientific reasons behind it, who should use it, who should avoid it, and the right time to make it most effective. To add sweetness, we'll use palm sugar, which is gentler and more suitable for many people. Please watch until the end so you don't miss the important part. And if you find it helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and leave a comment letting me know which city or country you're watching from, so we can connect and spread more secrets to living healthy and peacefully every day. Dear friends, to prepare a recipe that both detoxifies the liver and nourishes the kidneys, we only need 3 very familiar yet incredibly valuable ingredients. First, pure kudzu root starch, arrowroot powder. Take about 30 grams, roughly 2 heaping tablespoons. In traditional Eastern medicine, kudzu root is called cat can. It has a sweet flavor, a cooling nature, and enters the spleen and stomach meridians. It has long been used to clear heat, quench thirst, reduce fever, relieve internal heat, counteract alcohol, and ease headaches and dizziness. You can imagine kudzu as a refreshing stream that washes away irritability, fatigue, and toxins, leaving the body lighter and more at ease. From a scientific perspective, kudzu is rich in isoflavones, especially puerarine, which can help balance hormones to some extent, support middle-aged women with hot flashes and insomnia, act as a powerful antioxidant, and protect liver cells from the effects of alcohol and chemicals. It also promotes circulation, helps stabilize blood pressure, and serves as a biological shield against abnormal cell growth. Beyond its liver and kidney benefits, kudzu starch can neutralize stomach acid, ease acid reflux and burning, and because it is a slow-digesting starch, it keeps you full longer without causing uncontrolled weight gain. Second, roasted black sesame seeds, ground. Take 2 tablespoons, about 20 grams, roast until fragrant, then grind finely. Black sesame is like an inexpensive treasure chest of medicine. Easy to find and especially beneficial for middle-aged and older adults. Choose shiny, plump seeds free from mold. Roast on low heat to release aroma. Then grind for better absorption. In traditional medicine, black sesame, hak kai ma, is sweet and neutral in nature. Entering the liver and kidney meridians. It nourishes the liver and kidneys. Enriches blood and essence. Relieves constipation. Darkens hair. Improves skin. And strengthens bones. Scientifically, black sesame is rich in calcium, magnesium, zinc, and copper, minerals essential for building and maintaining bone density, helping prevent osteoporosis in postmenopausal women. Its high content of healthy fats, mainly unsaturated fatty acids, helps reduce bad cholesterol, protect the heart, and prevent atherosclerosis and stroke. The lignans and phytosterols in sesame are powerful antioxidants that help block cancer cell development and also protect the liver and kidneys from free radical damage. Third, warm water and palm sugar. Warm water is the key. Use boiled water cooled down to about 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, 158 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. At this temperature, kudzu starch dissolves evenly, expands smoothly, and forms a silky mixture that's easy to digest. Water that's too cold will make it clumpy, while boiling water will cause it to lump and cook unevenly. For a gentle sweetness, choose palm sugar, made from the sap of the palmyra flower. It has a light caramel aroma, mild sweetness, and is easier to drink than refined sugar. Usage: add 1 to 2 teaspoons, about 4 to 8 grams. Adjusted to taste, into the warm water first. Stir until dissolved, then add the kudzu starch. This way the sweetness blends well without making the drink heavy. Remember, palm sugar is still sugar. The difference is it retains trace minerals like potassium, magnesium, and zinc, along with its natural aroma. Use moderately. Those with diabetes or blood sugar concerns should minimize or avoid adding it. When buying, choose pure palm sugar in natural golden brown cakes or blocks. With a gentle aroma, not too white, no artificial coloring, and no burnt smell. Store in a dry, airtight place. For those with sensitive or cold stomachs, you can add a slice of crushed ginger to the water while heating, to balance the cooling nature of kudzu starch. When the 3 ingredients, kudzu starch, black sesame, and palm sugar, are blended into one formula, they create a drink that supports health in 7 different aspects. 1. Liver and metabolism. Kudzu starch is rich in isoflavones, especially puerarine, which strengthens liver antioxidants. Black sesame provides lignans and vitamin E that neutralize free radicals. Together, they help reduce oxidative stress from alcohol, oily foods, or lack of sleep. For those with fatty liver due to lifestyle and slightly elevated liver enzymes, this drink may provide support alongside a low-fat, low-sugar diet and regular exercise. However, it does not treat viral hepatitis, cirrhosis, or liver cancer. Those conditions require a doctor's treatment plan. 2. Kidneys and urinary tract. This drink supports the kidney's natural detoxification in a medical sense, especially when consumed warm, in moderate amounts, during the daytime to ensure proper hydration. Minerals in black sesame, such as magnesium and zinc, also support blood pressure control, which is vital for kidney health. For those who wake up at night to urinate, shifting water intake to mornings or afternoons may help reduce nighttime urination. People with severe kidney stones or chronic kidney disease should consult a doctor, as black sesame is mineral-rich, and palm sugar is still sugar and may need adjustment. 3. Digestion. Properly mixed kudzu starch has a soothing effect and may ease mild heartburn or acid reflux. Black sesame provides oils and fiber that support bowel movements and reduce mild constipation in older adults. Palm sugar's role is only to add a light sweetness for easier drinking. It is not therapeutic. Those prone to diarrhea or with cold stomachs should dilute the drink and limit frequency. 4. Heart and blood lipids. The unsaturated fats and lignans in black sesame can help modestly lower LDL cholesterol when part of an overall healthy diet and reduced refined sugar intake. Kudzu starch contains almost no fat. Palm sugar is still sugar, so it should be used sparingly to prevent blood sugar spikes. For those with diabetes, prediabetes, or high cholesterol, diet and exercise as guided by a doctor remain the priority. This drink is only a supplement. 5. Bones, skin, hair, and aging. 2 tablespoons of ground black sesame provide calcium, magnesium, zinc, and copper, which help maintain bone density when combined with sun exposure, exercise, and adequate protein. Antioxidants in black sesame and kudzu help reduce oxidative stress, supporting brighter skin and healthier hair over time. Palm sugar retains trace minerals but mainly serves as flavor, so moderation is best. 6. Hormones, sleep, and stress. Isoflavones in kudzu may help ease mild menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes and insomnia. A warm, gently sweet cup in the morning or midday can bring relaxation. However, if insomnia persists, one should review sleep habits, lighting, caffeine intake, and possibly seek professional support. Those with hormone-sensitive conditions should consult a doctor before regular use. 7. Cancer risk. A diet rich in antioxidants from black sesame and kudzu, paired with a healthy lifestyle, may help reduce certain risk factors such as oxidative stress and bad cholesterol. However, there is no evidence this drink cures cancer. Warning signs like unexplained weight loss, yellowing of the skin or eyes, or persistent pain should prompt early medical evaluation. In summary, when these 3 ingredients are combined, they make a gentle cleansing and nourishing drink that brings balance and comfort. Taken at the right time, preferably in the morning or at noon, 3 to 4 times per week and for the right people. Many have reported better appetite, deeper sleep, reduced internal heat, improved bowel regularity, and modest improvements in cholesterol as part of a healthy lifestyle. This is a supportive drink, not a replacement for medications or prescribed treatments. Those with chronic conditions, early pregnancy, severe kidney stones, diabetes, or under special medical care should consult a doctor before regular use. Dear friends, prepare 30 grams of pure kudzu starch. Choose fine white powder with a light fragrance. Free of impurities. 2 tablespoons of roasted black sesame seeds, ground finely, and 200 milliliters of warm water at about 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, 158 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. For a gentle sweetness, use palm sugar, 1 to 2 teaspoons, about 4 to 8 grams, dissolved first in the warm water so the flavor blends well and feels easy on the stomach. The method is simple. Put the kudzu starch into a bowl. Add a little cool water, and stir until fully dissolved to prevent lumps. Then slowly pour in the warm water with palm sugar, stirring continuously so the mixture becomes smooth, clear, and easy to digest. Finally, add the ground black sesame, gently stirring so the nutrients combine. In just a few minutes, you have a fragrant, nutty, refreshing drink of kudzu starch, black sesame, and palm sugar, both thirst-quenching and supportive for the liver and kidneys. A few notes. If you have a sensitive or cold stomach, frequent diarrhea, or weak digestion, drink it more diluted and avoid overuse. Those with severe kidney stones should be cautious, as the high mineral content in black sesame may make stones grow larger. Pregnant women in the first trimester should consult their doctor before using this recipe to ensure safety for both mother and baby. Timing is important. Drink in the morning, about 1 hour after a meal, or at midday so the body can absorb nutrients more easily, while helping to cool the body, soothe the liver, and support digestion. Avoid drinking late at night. as both kudzu starch and black sesame have a cooling nature that may cause stomach discomfort. Bloating, or frequent nighttime urination. The best routine is 3 to 4 times per week, in moderate amounts, to achieve optimal benefits without unwanted effects. Dear friends, liver and kidney health is the foundation of a peaceful old age. Nothing complicated is needed, just kudzu starch, black sesame, and a bit of palm sugar can form a small daily habit that gently detoxifies, nourishes where it's needed, and helps the body stay more balanced. Most importantly, use it at the right time, in the right amount. Listen to your body, and pair it with a balanced diet and regular activity for safe, long-lasting results. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. If you found it useful, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell so you don't miss future shares, and leave a comment letting me know which city or country you're watching from. You can also share your experiences after trying this recipe so others can learn as well. Wishing you health, peace, and abundant energy every day.